Hey everyone! If you're a new parent, congratulations! Today, I'm going to show you how to install a baby car seat easily and safely. Let's make sure your little one is secure and comfy on every ride. First things first, always start by reading the car seat manual and your car's manual. Each seat and car can be a bit different, so these are your go-to guides. Now, let's get to the installation. Step 1. Place the car seat in the back seat of your car. The safest spot is typically in the middle, but if that's not possible, either side will do. Step 2. If you're using a rear-facing seat, make sure the base is level. Most car seats have an indicator to help with this. Adjust until you see that it's just right. Step 3. Attach the seat using the latch system or the car's seatbelt. The latch system involves built-in anchors and tethers in your car. Clip the connectors from the car seat base onto these anchors. If you're using the seatbelt, thread it through the correct path on the car seat and buckle it up. Pull the seatbelt all the way out to switch it to the locking mode, then let it retract. Step 4. Tighten it up. Push down on the car seat base and pull the latch straps or seatbelt to eliminate any slack. The seat should not move more than an inch side to side or front to back. Step 5. If your car seat has a top tether, attach it to the tether anchor in your car and tighten it up. Step 6. Install the car seat itself. If it's a rear-facing seat, recline it to the appropriate angle. For forward-facing seats, make sure it's upright and secure. Step 7. Secure your baby. Place them in the seat and fasten the harness. The straps should be snug, with the chest clip at armpit level. Remember, you shouldn't be able to pinch any slack in the straps. Step 8. Double-check everything. Give the seat a good shake to make sure it's firmly in place. Check the harness to ensure it's snug on your baby. And there you have it. Installing a baby car seat might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you'll have it done in no time. Your little one will be safe and sound for every adventure ahead. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy parenting!